Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another video. Actually, this is a tech video, and something which is so great about this video today is all about the new Infinix Hot S3X. If you know about the X at the end, definitely you know there is a notch. Actually, this kind of device is so great when it comes to its own body, but something which captured me is that the notch doesn't leave any company behind. Why is notch doesn't leave the company behind? Because it's something which has a spec bump on it. Now, for further info, let us just break it down. 2G network and has a 3G network on it, which comes with a 4G LTE, which is something which is so great upon it. Another kind of stuff upon this device has a 3GB of RAM and a 4GB of RAM, which is quite amazing upon this kind of device. But it depends with two variants there, they just left me. But another kind of stuff upon this device has a 32GB internal storage, which is it's quite not bad for a 2018. It's dope because we have a memory card slot now, which is something which is more amazing. It comes with an Android, which is Android 8.1. As you all guys know, Android 8.1, it's very smooth and very dope. But do they upgrade to Android 9? That's the main thing, because if I'm upgrading to Android 8, which comes with Android 8, will I actually get Android 9? Well, let us hope and hear from them, which it will take a bunch of time. Now, another kind of stuff upon this device has an octa-core processor, which is quite amazing. It's not that much kind of bad, it's still a dope phone. Another kind of stuff upon this device, let's jump in to the battery. Now, the capacity of battery is 4000 mAh battery. 4000 mAh battery, which is quite not bad for a smartphone like this one, which has a little bit of spec bump like this one, which are so amazing. Now, it's something which it's quite not like bad thing, still it's dope. Another kind of stuff upon this device, this phone has support even for unlocking with your face recognition. Now, this phone has a fingerprint sensor, face ID in a device which has NFC. Now, something which is quite perhaps bumping on me, saying that why is only Samsung, why is only other device supports NFC? Why not even Infinix? Why not even Itel? Why not even Techno? Why are they delaying bringing NFC technology to these devices? Because, you know, let me share with you guys something. You see here inside my room, I have NFC stickers like all over. I've just made them there, somewhere there. They're all over there. You know what the main point about the NFC? It's near field communication, whereby you can tag your NFC and you can just give it a functionality, and whenever you're reaching home, perhaps you want to make an alarm, you can just take your phone this way and drop it here and you're good to go. That's how the NFC works. Now, there's no NFC on this device, so don't get frightened. Another kind of stuff upon this device, it's camera. Now, video it's recording at 1080p and 30 frames per second, which is quite not bad, it's quite great. But why can't they just advance the camera to up to 4K, even 2K, even something which is much cooler upon the camera? On the metallic kind of body, it's not that much kind of metallic on this kind of device. I think, to my own aspect, this is by my own opinion, don't just say Abdul just said it, because I didn't have the device on my hands. Notch definitely, but right now notches are everywhere. It's like you can't escape it. It's just like a new feature on a smartphone. And another kind of stuff is like giving space upon the display. Now, giving space upon display by using a notch, it doesn't make a sense, because still, whenever you watch a video, you'll have half of the screen be taken by the notch and other space you watch the video, something which is quite not kind of great. But my own aspect, I think they could just eliminate the notch and put full display on it, and it would be so amazing. And I would like to even give a test on the device. So, as I said, guys, here in my country, devices takes longer for me to reach out and go to the companies and take the device and review them. So I'll still work on it, and I'll go to Infinix. I think there's a branch of Infinix in Tanzania, in Arusha actually, and I'll go and give it a try and ask them, this device, is it there, so as I can just give full review, so as you guys can see it. So these are just the spec which I just had to break it down. Yeah, that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching, and my voice is a little bit toned up. because I bet a lot. Sorry guys, I'm just joking with you. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure that you hit that thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe, get subscribed. It's 2018 style. Yeah, that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching finally, and I'll be checking you guys on the next video. If you didn't check out my last vlog, it's so dope and amazing. You guys, you should just check it out if you got time or something. Yeah, click this card here, it will take you to definitely on the video. Yeah, that's what's up. So catch you guys on the next one, and peace.